Today I'm going to talk briefly about characterization. Characterization is all the words and descriptions that an author uses for the readers to understand the characters. There's two different types that authors use. They talk about characters directly and indirectly. Directly is maybe through a physical description. Tall, blonde hair, wears glasses, thin-lipped. Or another way that direct characterization happens is through words that a character says, or thoughts that readers understand from a character, or maybe even actions that they do. So maybe if our character walks slowly and slunched over, maybe they'd be shy or timid. Indirect characterization is when we find out more about a character through another character's speech, thoughts, feelings, and actions towards that character, or simply the narrator's comments about the character. We also have static and dynamic characters. So this talks about how characters change or don't change throughout a plot. Okay, so stories typically contain both. So a static character doesn't really change or evolve with what's happening around them. And this type of character is ideal for a heroic or charismatic, quirky character, such as Sherlock Holmes or Tom Sawyer. So that means they kind of stay the same throughout, and they're kind of steady, so they don't have to overcome anything major to change as a character. A dynamic character usually undergoes a huge change, and this is in relation to conflicts and resolution. So they face many conflicts, and they have to figure out how to overcome them. These tend to be characters who are more the protagonists, because remember, our protagonists are the ones that typically face those conflicts and then overcome them throughout the plot and resolve them at the end. So now you're going to apply these ideas to the characters in Shoe Fly Pie.